Presenting Boult Audio Airbase Propods earphones. This true wireless in-ear earphones comes with high-quality microphone on both earbuds for a better hands-free call experience. It delivers up to 5.5 hours of playback time on a single charge, and the carrying case gives 4 additional charges to the earbuds, making total playtime of up to 24 hours. Boult Audio Airbase Propods is lightweight and features an ergonomic design, making it a comfortable fit for all-day wear. The earbuds comes with IPX5 water-resistant capability and nano coating, making it sweat-proof and waterproof up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. You can also wash the earbuds and base. It comes with passive noise-cancelling technology, allowing you to listen to music and answer calls even in noisy environments. The earbuds can be used separately as monopods for listening to music or taking calls. That makes it automatically pair with your device as soon as you take them out of the case. The earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.0 technology for fast and stable transmission. It also offers low latency for an enhanced gaming experience. Airbase Propods earphones come with one-touch control multifunctional button for controlling your music and calls. The voice assistant function lets you access Siri or Google Assistant. The earphones are available in 2 color variants, black and white. Inside the box, you will find Propods earphones, charging case, extra pair of earbuds, charging micro USB cable and user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 7 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.